In this video, you will learn how you can further optimize the extraction process with a filter bag in the wet separator, what advantages this offers and how easy it is to change the filter bag. Hello, my name is Heiko Holtkamp, Technical Product Manager at Ruwac Industriesauger. In some industries, like additive manufacturing, production processes have been optimized to such an extent that only a small amount of suction material is produced. A wet separator is used there, and yet it is still possible to further improve the processes. A filter bag in the wet separator makes it easier to dispose of the suction material and reduces the need to change the fluid. This saves time, it's easier on the operator, and protects the environment. At the same time, safety is ensured because the filter bag is submerged in the liquid. And that's how easy it is to insert the filter bag. The filter bag is fixed to the swirl filter using the clamping lock. The swirl filter is inserted into the liquid container, with the lock opposite of the suction opening. The moisture separator is placed on the liquid tank, and the liquid tank is pushed into the wet separator. Finally, the locking mechanism is closed. If the liquid needs to be changed, it is a good idea to use our trolley, which fits the NA7 perfectly. In today's example, we are going to vacuum stainless steel powder. We connect the hose for this. When the filter bag is full, remove the swirl filter place it at an angle to drain and then place it on a suitable surface. Now change the filter bag as shown above. Existing wet separators can be easily retrofitted. With the NA7 simply replace the swirl filter. With the NA7 you also need an adapted liquid container. Do you have any further questions or would you like a demonstration on site? Then simply contact your sales advisor. If you found the video useful, please give it a like. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss any more videos. Next, take a look at the films on the R26 dry pre-separator and the NA7 wet separator, which we have linked for you here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.